Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can hide your game activity on Discord. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already logged into your Discord account. And once you're here, what you will have to do is click this user settings right here. So once you're here, you will look for activity privacy, which is under activity settings. So just go ahead and click that. And what you will see here is display currently running game as a status message if you're currently running a game, or you could actually just you will just see this as well, which is share my activity. So if you do have it on, make sure to just toggle it off so that your game activity will not be visible to your friends. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I really hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.